You said you got warrants?
Yeah.
For what?
I just got one. Roadside, dude.
Early on the morning of June 8th, 2025, at 07:01, while patrolling a major road in town, a police officer stopped a car that was swerving and driving in the wrong lane. The Axon Body 3 camera captured the moment the driver repeatedly replied, "No English," and admitted he did not have a license, starting what seemed like a simple traffic stop that quickly turned unusual.
Hey, man. Hey.
Yeah.
What's up?
Sorry. I fell asleep. I've been working all day.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm going home now.
Okay. Just hold tight for me, okay?
Yeah. No problem.
All right.
Sorry. I'm not.
That's okay. We're just gonna. Okay.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
92. He's alert and awake.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
Scared me.
Just hold tight for me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Do you have anything on you? I see your knife right there.
Yeah, you want it?
Nope. Just don't touch yours, okay?
Yeah.
Do you have Hold on a second. Do you have anything on you that I need to know about? Any guns or anything? Anything in the car I need to know about? Okay. Where's your ID at?
I don't even know. It's over here.
Okay. How about we do this?
Okay.
Will you get the 12? What's your
Somebody call you guys on me?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Oh my God.
What's your name, man?
My name's Chris.
Christopher?
Have I committed a crime?
So you're passed out behind the wheel of a car. So we need to make sure that you're not any under influence of anything, okay? So that's why I'm just asking you to identify yourself, okay? All right. Is there anything in the car I need to know about, sir? Okay. Where do you work at, you said? I'm sorry? Okay. Sorry, I keep asking you to repeat yourself, but you keep turning that way and I'm over here, okay?
Sorry.
That's all right.
I just said, I'm
While checking and talking to the dispatcher, the officer said the driver was going the wrong way on Main Street, nearly hitting the patrol car as he was merging. His inability to speak English and his complete lack of identification made the situation even more difficult and potentially dangerous.
Do you have any medical conditions or anything? I'm sorry, what?
We didn't just walk up and start talking to you. So if you don't, he was awake when she got in. So if you don't want to talk to him, you don't have to, man. But don't act like we're doing something to you.
Couple silly questions for you. You know where you are right now?
Yeah.
Where are we? Yeah, you know what city you're in?
What's up, man? Good, buddy. How are you?
Yeah, close enough. But we're not in Columbus, though. What year is it? Who's the president? Told you they were silly. You want to talk to us? Okay, cool.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it all.
Yep. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. I need 30 bucks.
Ma'am?
What's up? Okay, do you have anything with your... Can we get him out of the car?
What's about that? Do you have an ID on you? Alright. Don't reach in your pockets or something. Did you give her your social?
No, he said he doesn't know it.
Okay. So, we can't find you... Do you have a driver's license in the state of Ohio?
No, I
You
don't.
don't. Where are you from?
I'm from Ohio.
Okay, but you just don't have a driver's license.
I don't.
Okay, spell out your name for her, letter by letter, so we can figure out. And hold on. If you're lying to us about who you are, we're gonna take you to jail. Okay?
I'm not lying to you about it.
I'm just letting you know. This is not a big deal. We have a right to talk to you. Hold on. You're not letting me finish.
Yeah.
We have a right to talk to you. We're just conducting an investigation to make sure you're not on anything. It's not a big deal. If that's the case, you'll be on your way.
Yeah.
If the biggest thing is you don't have a driver's license, we're not really worried about that. Okay? But I'm telling you, if you lie to her and don't give her your information, we're going to take you to jail.
Okay, I don't have no reason.
Okay.
Not lying. My name's Christopher.
Have a wallet in your back pocket?
It's a wallet. You got. I don't have an ID.
So that's what I gave to dispatch.
Have you ever been licensed in another state?
No.
You don't have a license at all?
No.
Okay, you ever had an ID card in another state?
No.
Duck, keep your hands on your pants.
Sorry. My bad.
If you want to put your hands in your pockets, we're just going to have to, if we can pat you down, that's all. So put your hands in your pockets.
Sorry.
Okay, what are you checking to make sure you don't got nothing in your pockets before we pat you down?
Yeah.
Are you a user?
Unfortunately.
Okay.
I mean, that's
Here's the
fine,
thing.
man. It's not a big
Honesty
deal.
is the
We
best policy. You have, honesty is our best policy with us, okay?
Do you have warrants?
No.
Okay.
Whose vehicle is this?
This is my roommate's.
Okay.
Do they know you have it?
Yes, they know I have it.
Okay. Do you have any drugs on you?
No.
Any implements of drugs, pipes, stems, needles, nothing like that?
Man, there might be something in here. There's probably paraphernalia in here. I was doing drugs. You guys are going to search it, you know what I mean?
Right now, we're just trying to figure out who you are.
Were you doing drugs today? Is that why you're passed out behind the wheel?
No, I just been up for a couple of nights.
Just working or what?
Yeah.
What do you do for work? I saw.
Just
What?
everything.
Okay.
Where are you coming from before you came to Sheets?
I was actually coming to Sheets because they were replacing a milkshake for me. I came here and got it from the other night. And that's it. I was going to go back home. I haven't been arrested.
Never been arrested? No record? No speeding tickets? Nothing like that? What kind of paraphernalia you think is in the car? Is it stems or needles?
There's needles.
Okay.
I swear to God, I just found 2 of them in my bag and I was going to get rid of them. I'm not on needles. You can see there's no needles.
When's the last time you used?
Days ago.
Okay. You trying to clean yourself up or what?
Yep.
You ever been in rehab or checked yourself in for anything?
No.
Just trying to do it on your own?
Try to do it on my own.
Where'd you put those needles in the car?
In my pocket.
They're in your pocket right now?
Front left pocket.
Okay. Here's what we're gonna do, man.
This is what
No, you're good, man. We're not making a big scene. No one knows what's going on. It's just us, okay?
Do you have anything else on you before he searches you? Listen, we are probably the two. We'll tell you what's going on. We're going to tell you what's going to happen.
We're not gonna lie to you, man. We'll walk you through every step of the way. It's not a...
Yeah, but you have to. But what did I tell you? Honesty is the best policy, especially with us two. So if you have something else on you, or if that is not your name, you're only going to get and dig more of a hole.
I'm saying
You could be leaving here with some paperwork, or you could be going with us. That's the difference of how this rolls, okay?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Anything else on you before you need to know? Or you don't know?
I really don't know.
Are they capped?
They're caps.
Okay, go ahead and turn
something
around
about
for me, man.
When you told me not to,
Put your hands up on the
This
car.
isn't my first day, okay?
when you told me not to move anymore, there was something in my 5th pocket. I don't know what the is.
Alright, I'm just gonna take these out of here, okay?
What is it?
Some full, something in there?
Oh, God, thank God, no.
Man, you got a stem in your pocket. I
I
asked you
forgot.
about
I'm
that.
sorry, I asked you. I told you I don't know where it is. It's either in my bag or right there.
Upon verifying that the man did not have any kind of legal license to drive and had just committed an extremely dangerous act, the police arrested him. Due to the language barrier, the officer had to instruct the driver by hand gesture. Lift your right leg. Look, leg up, before placing shackles on the driver's legs, a mandatory step for uncooperative or flight risk drivers.
Well, right now you're under arrest for that stuff, so this is a search incident to arrest. So
I thought I was under arrest.
Oh, you are now.
I'm sorry.
You said you got warrants?
Yeah.
For what?
I'm sorry. Roadside, dude.
You can't say that too, because then you get the pretty little smock suit when we get down to the
All right,
jail.
go ahead and turn around, man. Just relax. Go and turn around.
I don't mean it like that.
I'm gonna get it back.
Now, since we're lying about all this, what else is in the car?
Let's just see. Nothing. It's the same thing.
Because you know we're going to look.
Yeah, you can
Go
look.
for 16.
I got another question, man. Those bits on the pasture, where they come from?
I've had them. I've got like probably 30 more of them.
Where'd they come from? Is what I'm asking.
I've had them.
92. Can you read? Can you
You
read
give them
guys
to
on
me,
that?
you trade them.
You got 30 packs of the
Yeah,
same bits, and
Yeah.
you're saying you came about them legitimately?
Saw blades, Diablo, saw blades, I've got all that shit.
Okay.
You catch that, Sarge?
What's that?
The registered owners.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
you sent it to me.
These what?
Oh, nothing.
What's PS mean?
It's a private service, phone call, public service. You want to put them in your car for now. All right, man. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris, real name, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I told you my name was Chris.
All right, man, I'm just gonna sit you back here for a minute, okay? We'll keep you updated on what's going on. Like I said, I'm gonna be honest with you the entire time, okay?
Man.
All right, just sit here for a second. Where's your warrant out of?
I don't know. Morrow County, is that what it says?
I don't know. I didn't check.
Will you look for me?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if it's with pickup, okay? All right. All right, man. So this is out of Morrow County, okay? For fentanyl and stuff like that, all right?
Yeah, well, I was on probation.
That was your original charge.
Well, yeah, it's, non-compliance. And I was on probation, and I did it again.
Okay.
Not compliance.
All right, man. Well, listen. So on your little center console underneath the radio bin, you know you got that foil with the straw, the burnt foil, right? You freebasing it? You smoking it?
Somebody else was smoking it.
Okay,
if
so
it's in there.
another question. There's a little silver bindle in there, a little foil bindle. What's in that?
I don't know.
Okay, because look, man, I'm gonna tell. Like I said, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. Okay, we're gonna send it and get tested.
Yeah.
You're gonna be charged with it no matter what, because you're in the vehicle, right? So anything in the vehicle, you're responsible for.
Oh my god.
So it's gonna come back with the results. So we can either get it handled now, or they'll indict you, and you'll be walking around with more paper on your head until you get picked up. So how do you want to handle it?
I am in such a mess right now that honestly I just don't.
Well, that's what I'm saying. We can get it handled now, or you can have more paper hanging over your head until however long it takes.
I don't know what the is in here.
You don't know you can stick with that?
I really don't.
Okay, you use meth at all?
No.
And you know anybody uses meth?
Everybody around me.
You fentanyl, heroin, or just fentanyl?
I'm not even. Can I just not talk about it, man?
Yeah, that's your right. That's your right. If you don't want to talk anymore, that's your right. I'm not going to ask you more questions. Is that how you want to go?
I'm just in trouble, and I don't want to make any more trouble for myself.
Okay, if you don't want to talk anymore, I'm not going to ask you any more questions. Okay? If you need us, you can just yell. We'll come back here if you need anything. Okay?
I want to go home.
Well, unfortunately, it don't look like that's going to happen. All right?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, you invoking your right to remain silent? I'm not going to ask you more questions. If you need anything, let us know, okay?
Can I stand outside and get air, please?
I can crack the window for you. I can turn the AC on for you.
No AC.
No AC? You want me to crack the window for you? I can do that for you.
The incident ends with a warning. Any law that is ignored can be disastrous, especially when the driver is not competent enough to operate the vehicle. The traffic stop on the morning of June 8th, 2025 is a reminder that traffic safety is not just a legal obligation, it is a way to protect yourself and those around you.